Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart. Oh, your love, oh, your love. Angel face, I love your smile, love your ways. I like your style, what can I do to get closer to you? Don't think twice, don't count to 10, don't take advice, don't ask me when. Just come my way, simply kiss me and say, hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me. Hi guys, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at Hands Up. I just heard that on the radio the other day. I have totally forgotten about this song, but I believe it's the best last song for my Good Vibes ukulele cheat. You can get a copy of yours for free on ukulelecheats.com, and basically you have a full gig here of songs that just bring good vibes. So go in the link in the description to download your version of this one for free, and let's see how to play Hands Up by Ottawan. Okay, we'll do it a little bit lower than the original. If you want to play along with the original, you just put a capo on the first fret, right? And play with the chords that I'm about to show you. But I decided to transpose it because that way it's just way easier to play on the ukulele, right? So the first thing we need is the chord of A minor. Then while holding here, I just add a finger on the second fret of the E string to do D7. I use this version of D7 for this song. And then we have the chord of G for 2 bars, right? And this is the intro slash chorus. As for strumming pattern on this song, I'm not following something very strictly, but I'm trying to accent the most on the third count, right? Something like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And actually I'm starting with a gentle up strum here and then a strong down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart. And then we have this part, Oh Your Love, for which we play C, Oh Your Love. Oh, your love. G to D here, normal D, not D7. You can grab it with 3 fingers or with 1 finger. And then we have the verse, for which you play G to E minor. Okay, new chord here. And then we have the chord of D. And repeating the same thing. My way, simply kiss me and say. Here, right before going to the chorus again, I strum a little bit harder to build some dynamic on the song, right? Hands up, baby, hands up. Give me your heart, give me your heart, give me. And then we have another verse, another chorus, and then we enter the bridge, which is basically the modulation of the song, right? So we start the bridge with B7. Let me be your Romeo, your wonder boy. And then to E minor. And your super champ. Okay? And then we have the chord of D. Let me take you to the Milky Way. And here E7. On a holiday. Right? This E7 is exactly where we change the key of the song, right? And after that we have the first 2 parts of the song basically, but in the new key. So we have A, down, down, ba da ba ba to F sharp minor, ba ba ba, da da ba ba to E7, da 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 ba ba, right? And here we have hands up. I'm doing B minor 7 here, just barring on the 2nd fret. Hands up, baby, hands up to E7. Give me your heart, give me to A. Give me hands up. And this is actually the outro as well. Give me your heart, give me your heart. And this sums up my tutorial for hands up and also the tutorials for volume 1 of the Good Vibes Ukulele Cheat. Get yours for free in the link in the description. Rock your ukulele parties, and I'll see you again on the next one. Goodbye.